Hey everyone, welcome back. If your game Dune Awakening keeps crashing on your Steam, don't worry. Here are some simple steps to fix it. Step 1. Restart your PC. It sounds simple, but a quick restart can fix small issues. Step 2. Verify game files on Steam. Open Steam, go to your library, right click on Dune, select Properties, go to Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for it to finish, it will fix any broken or missing files. Step 3. Update your graphics driver. Go to your NVIDIA or AMD app and check for updates. All drivers can cause crashes in new games. Step 4. Run Steam as administrator. Right click the Steam icon, choose Run as administrator, then launch the game again. Step 5. Lower your graphics settings. If your PC is struggling, go to the game settings and set graphics to low or medium. Sometimes the game crashes because it uses too much memory. That's it. Try the steps and your game should run better. Still crashing? Reinstall the game as a last step. Like and subscribe if this helped and enjoy the game.